The Pro Series scaffold will knock down in small sizes so it is easy to transport. To assemble, line up all components. First, combine side frames, be certain to match top frame with bottom frame. Attach casters with connector pins. Now repeat the process. Attach side braces SC and SD using carriage bolts, washer, and nuts. You will need a drill and a 13mm socket set to connect. Now repeat the process with the opposite side braces. Tighten carriage bolts securely. Secure them with connector pins. Now insert the platforms. Be certain the holes in both platforms fit the pegs on braces. Then secure all lock pins. Lock casters to prevent scaffold from rolling. To adjust height, remove platform and remove connector pins. Lower the brace after unlocking lock pins, then repeat on the opposite side. Be certain the holes in both platforms fit the pegs on braces. Lock casters to prevent scaffold from rolling. The max weight capacity is 750 pounds. The Pro Series scaffold knocks down so you can easily transport in your car trunk.